Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are trying the most, I guess not like iconically named, but really funny named brewing company's offerings. The Belching Beaver, which I think is absolutely hilarious. We've tried their milk stout before, we've tried their mango IPA before, but now we are trying their hard seltzers. And you know I love a good hard seltzer. I have just been shoveling my snow off of my driveway. So got the farmer attire going on. But yeah, very excited to try these. So we have pineapple mango, raspberry and blackberry. And then I recently found the passion fruit and guava. And I believe that these are their 3 flavors. I got these at the Beer Den here in Yakima. And I think this is the one that I've been waiting for to finish my collection. I am very excited, and I think that I'm going to go in order. So pineapple mango, raspberry blackberry, and then the passion fruit and guava. So let's see a little bit about it. Tropical pineapple mango, low carb, 2 carbohydrates, 110 calories, 5.5% alcohol by volume, real fruit, not clear fruit. Interesting. Spiked sparkling water. Hilarious logo. Here at the here at the Beeve, we love making beer, but we're packing on the pounds. So we came up with a low carb, no sugar added, easy drinking seltzer made with real fruit. Don't let the color fool you. It's low carb beverage, and we all know real fruit ain't clear. It's either this or the gym. So hard seltzer it is. Let the damn good times continue. Cheers, Tom. Serve cold. I'm excited. Let's get into it. It smells like a seltzer. Got my little cup here from Erin. It's got a orangish, pineapple-ish color to it. It smells like pineapple juice, like kind of those Dole cans. Very light in flavor. I think I'm getting the pineapple most of everything. I don't really get a whole lot of mango from it. Yeah, mango. It's good though. It's very much like sparkling pineapple juice, maybe a little Fanta-like, which I love. Not super sweet, which is great. That's good. Again, this would be good if you were going to add like some rum, vodka to it. Some tahini would be really good in this because it is the pineapple and mango flavor. Okay. Raspberry, blackberry. I just seen if the message was the same, which it is. And Belching Beaver, I believe, is, yeah, Oceanside, California. Brewed in can. It doesn't say, I mean, it says spiked sparkling water, so it doesn't really say if it's like brewed with the alcohol in it or what's making that. It does not taste like grain alcohol. It's actually very nice. Beautiful color on this one. Again, this is the raspberry blackberry. I forgot to tell. It smells like a sparkling ice, like a fizzy. Oh, you know what that tastes like? It's very reminiscent to the Island Punch that San Juan Island Smash that San Juan Seltzer just put out. Lots of good. I would consider this more like blackberry to my tongue, my palate. But I can definitely tell like there is raspberry and blackberry, but I'm getting mostly blackberry. Nice. I think these come in 6-packs. If you were to buy the pack, like I said, I got mine at the Beer Den. And so they were just selling them individually. But yeah, these are good. I like that they're not very sweet. I like that they're fruity, plenty of fizz. And that you could probably use it as a mixer if you want to. Okay, passion fruit and guava. Here we go. I desperately need to order some Belching Beaver apparel. If you've been following my channel, you'll know that I spent a few years at Oregon State. Who are the Beavers? Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna burp. Excuse me. Okay, I instantly smell the passion fruit. Or maybe that's guava. No. It smells like Pog, which both has passion fruit and guava in it. So, all bases are covered. Again, it's a beautiful kind of pineapple-y color. This is the best. That's good, guys. Holy crap, that's really good. It is like if you had Pog juice, which is passion fruit, orange, and guava. It is like a fizzy Pog that's very light. I would love to add some rum or vodka to this. Would gin go good too? I'm getting back into gin, by the way. This is awesome. Get this. This is delicious. So good. Oh, my fave. I kind of knew it would, well, I was thinking that it was going to be my favorite of all the flavors, but like this is by far so good. That tastes like vacation. Okay. By far my favorite. And then the next one, I'm going to go with pineapple mango. And then last but not least, the raspberry blackberry. So I'm hoping, Belching Beaver, that you guys keep doing what you're doing. Those are delicious. You know, I'm a hardcore San Juan Seltzer fanatic. But this right here is so good. I mean, light, refreshing. I feel tropical. This is the jam. I will need to get more of this flavor because that's delicious. And thank you so much for joining. Let me know if you've tried these. Like I said, their peanut butter milk stout is really good. The mango IPA was not bad, but not like my style, I guess. I'm not a huge IPA fan, but it was really good as well. And then the seltzers are awesome. So thanks for joining. Make sure to check out Belching Beaver. I'll leave all their info down below. And then let me know if you want me to try anything else. But we'll see you next time. Bye.